No degree, no job, not even old enough to work at McDonald's. But guess what? With AI, you can still make real money. No camera, no boss, no cringe sales calls. Just you, Wi-Fi, and a laptop. Here are AI side hustles so easy, you could literally start them during math class. Let's go. People pay real money for resumes. And you've got ChatGPT. Go on Fiverr, search professional resume. You'll see gigs charging $20 to $100 plus per order. Now ask ChatGPT to write one. Boom, instant delivery. Package it up, make it pretty, sell it. Want to level up? Offer bundles with a LinkedIn bio or cover letter for more cash. Zero experience, zero stress. Just click, copy, cash. 2 AI voiceovers. Too shy to record your voice? Good, let AI do it for you. Use tools like 11 Labs or TTS Maker to turn any script into a pro-level voiceover. Faceless YouTube channels, TikToks, meme pages, they all need voiceovers. You grab the script, upload, pick a voice, done in 10 seconds. Charge $10, $30 per video or offer voice packs. No voice? No problem. Let AI talk while you cash out. 3. Selling AI-generated art. You don't need to know how to draw, you just need to know how to prompt. Use tools like Midjourney, Ideogram, or DALL-E to create aesthetic wallpapers, posters, or album covers. List them on Etsy, Redbubble, or Gumroad for passive income. Some teens are making 200-500 month selling anime, vaporwave, or aesthetic core visuals. It's not art class, it's prompt plus profit. 4. TikTok scripts and captions with AI. Creators? Yeah, they're creative. But when it comes to writing captions, they suck. That's where you plus ChatGPT come in. Offer, I'll write viral TikTok scripts and hooks using AI. Charge $5, $10 per video, or $50 for a monthly content pack. Hit up micro creators on TikTok or IG, they're everywhere. You're not just writing, you're engineering virality, and you're doing it from your bed. 5. AI Notion Template Builder. Productivity is aesthetic now. Use ChatGPT plus Notion to build. Study planners, habit trackers, budget dashboards. Package them into templates and sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or Notion Market. Price? Anywhere from $9 to $29. And the best part? Make it once, sell it forever. Yes, even 14-year-olds are making passive income from Notion. Because Gen Z doesn't just organize their life, they monetize it. So let's break it down. No skills, still works. No money, start free. No support, you don't need it. You've got AI. While your friends are stuck in Roblox or scrolling TikTok for 5 hours, you could be stacking cash with a side hustle that doesn't even require your real voice. No excuses. AI just handed you the tools. Now it's on you to build with them.